2021 review. We started off like the end of 2020, a bit bad. We didn't have any sound or pictures when we tried to make the first Norsjö video. But we managed to make a video of the world's longest ropeway.
The GoPro inside, it died.
Not our fault. We might have forgot to connect the extra battery.
We used the DSLR. That's why it's pretty good picture quality of our faces.
Yeah. However, the sound was terrible and we were always interrupted. As usually, when we're trying to tell our interesting stories.
It was a beautiful winter flight.
It was an epic flight. We had like 2 hours of daylight. We needed to go from Skellefteå all the way to Kristineberg and then back to Skellefteå.
And we basically started when the sun was up, and then we just raced and got back just before the sun started to set. Kind of like the opposite of the midsummer flight.
Quite of opposite. We had daylight the whole time.
And we started...
Was it 10:30?
In the evening.
And landed, was it 2 a.m.
It was... I was pretty sleepy.
Me too.
Like his content, subscribe, and like, and do not forget to push that like button.
Trying to stay motivated by singing and dancing in the plane.
Yeah, that was...
It
It was rough hours. Rough last 2 hours.
Big mission.
Oh yeah, relieved our big secret that we have, that we just then came up with.
We still want to do it one day. To fly to France.
We're getting to another country. We can land at different airports. Visit our patrons.
I think the French flight might be the flight you do for 100,000 subscribers.
Or 100,000 patrons. Seriously, we wanted to thank our Patreon community too.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
The support.
You guys are really helping us out here. It's not too cheap to fly.
And it also gives us motivation that you guys actually think it's good to pay for.
That our content is good enough to pay for.
It's amazing! It costs a lot to fly. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, the Birch Alley video.
Oh man, that was so beautiful day.
First day of spring, the leaves had started to become green.
Oh man.
It might be kind of a normal video, but it was a really good flight.
One of the, I would say one of the best in 2021. However, I would rank the seaplane best of all.
I agree.
Landing on water and feel that you can basically go anywhere with that plane.
On the last day on my vacation, I went to the airport and I saw when they tested the electrical planes.
Oh yes, the electric future.
And I made a deal with them. I said, Swedish VFR needs to do a video. Robin has to fly. Keep a slot open for him.
And they did.
And you got to fly.
I got to fly the electric plane. It was magnificent. It was a bit weird when the propeller goes to idle.
Yeah, when it goes to idle. Very strange, and it's so quiet.
Yeah. Was it 72 decibels or something like that, or maybe even less?
Very quiet. And now we have own electrical planes at our airport.
So, I mean, the progress that Skellefteå Airport made this year is fantastic.
Maybe we should go there and check the planes someday.
Oh, definitely. And of course, we have the Fireflight missions.
It felt really important to do a government thing to find forest fires.
We saved Sweden once again this year.
I think it was one fire that we found and one that we
Missed.
yeah, or it didn't exist. We didn't find it.
No, but however, we saved Sweden.
We did. Now we have this as a gift for our current patrons, a one-time bonus Christmas present.
I want one.
Oh, slingsby!
I got a ride in a slingsby. Man, that was so cool. Doing loops, rolls, hammerheads, just going nuts.
The Skellefteå Aero Club.
Yeah, we managed to get ourselves to all the way to Umeå. They had an aviation day there.
We didn't talk about this in the episode, but they had a couple of years ago, they had this huge accident with the parachuters.
It was 9 people who died.
Yeah, and it was really good to see how they have come back and how positive they are.
Really. And then we got to film when they made some jumps.
It was good to go to Umeå. It was fun to go to some place and meet other aviation people.
Yeah, we had a good live stream. We had Niklas Björlin.
The interview.
The interview was perfect.
It was so improvised, and he just
He just made the episode for us.
And recently we got to try the Green Flight Academy simulator.
Oh, that was so fun. I mean, I got the taste of how to do a perfect landing.
It was epic.
I still managed to do some good landings and ILS landing. However, I think it's fun that we have good connections with Green Flight Academy.
They seem to like us.
Yeah, for some reason.
And we like them.
We like them, so I hope we have some future collaborations with you. So what are our plans for next year?
We will have some cooperation with the Green Flight.
Oh yes. We will hopefully fly abroad.
Maybe Finland. I don't know, I think we're just going to fly a lot and have fun a lot.
That's the most important, to have fun, because if we don't have fun, there's no point to do this anymore.
We want to go to one of those big air conventions.
Oh, there's one in Germany in April. We got a tip from our patron, Maurice, that you should really come here. So we're planning to, if we are available. Otherwise, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas
And a Happy New Year.
See ya!
Bye!